Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a custom form in ClickUp step by step. Creating forms in ClickUp is extremely useful when you want to collect information from team members, clients, customers, or even students in an organized way. Whether you need a project request form, a registration form, a feedback survey, or an internal request system, ClickUp makes the process simple and highly customizable. To get started, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace, because this determines where all form responses and submissions will be stored. Keeping forms connected to the right workspace helps maintain organization and makes it easier to manage incoming information later. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Spaces section. Spaces are where your different projects and workflows are organized inside ClickUp. Click on Spaces and locate the specific space where you want your form to be created. Once you find the correct space, click the plus icon beside it. A drop-down menu will appear with several creation options. From that menu, click on Form. This starts the form creation process directly inside that workspace. At this point, ClickUp will give you multiple ways to create your form. You'll notice several built-in templates designed for common use cases such as feedback forms, order forms, project intake forms, IT requests, and job applications. These templates can save a lot of time if one already matches your needs. However, if you want full customization and complete control over every question, click on Start from Scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use the Start from Scratch option so you can learn how to build a fully custom form manually. The first thing you need to do is set up the basic information for the form. Enter a clear and descriptive form name. For example, you could name it Registration Form, Client Request Form, or Team Feedback Form, depending on its purpose. Below the title section, you'll also see an area where you can add a description. This is useful because it gives people filling out the form extra context and instructions. A short explanation can make your form easier to understand and improve the quality of the responses you receive. Now it's time to start adding questions. Click on Add Question to create your first field. ClickUp offers multiple field types including short text, long text, drop-downs, dates, contact fields, file uploads, checkboxes, and more. For the first example, select Short Text and choose Text. This works perfectly for collecting simple information such as names or titles. In the field name box, type full name and click Create. Your first field is now added successfully. Next, click Add Question again and choose Contact Info, then select Phone. This field is designed specifically for phone numbers and helps keep formatting organized. Name this field Contact Number and create it. To demonstrate another useful field type, click Add Question one more time and select Signature. This is helpful for approvals, acknowledgements, or confirmations. Give the field a name and click Create. At this stage, your form is already functional, but you can continue adding more questions depending on the type of information you want to collect. ClickUp gives you a lot of flexibility, allowing you to fully customize forms for almost any purpose. And that's it! You've successfully created a custom form in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.